It can be hard to find every setting on your iPhone or iPad and even Mac. That's why Control Center exists to offer quick access to a number of features that may be otherwise buried in the device's setting. From this floating array of buttons, you can change Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, volume, and screen orientation settings. You can also easily access music controls, dark mode, and screen mirroring options. Other features can be added or removed as needed, and let me show you how to use and customize the Control Center so that it works for you. How you open the control center depends on the age of your device. If you have an iPad or an iPhone X and later, you can swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen. For an iPhone SE or iPhone 8 and earlier, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. The control center will show a collection of icons that each control a specific setting on the device. You will have access to airplane mode, airdrop, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, music orientation, lock, do not disturb, screen mirroring, brightness and volume. These controls are built into the control center and can't be removed. Certain controls are available only on specific devices. For instance, the personal hotspot and cellular data controls are available only on iPhone and Wi-Fi plus cellular iPads. There are also a variety of optional controls that you can add or remove at any time. Each icon in your control center works like any other app on your device. Tap it to turn the function on, tap it again to turn that function off. Press down on a control and it either expands or presents an option menu. If you hold down on airplane mode, airdrop, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular or personal hotspot, the entire section grows larger so you can easily see and control any of its options. Press down on the airdrop icon to turn off the ability to receive content, allow content from contacts only or allow content from everyone. Long press the Wi-Fi icon to choose from a list of nearby wireless networks. Press down on the Bluetooth icon to connect a Bluetooth device. You can use the brightness slider to lighten or darken the screen. Hold down on the bar to gain options for dark mode, night shift mode and the true tone. You can also use the volume slider to raise or lower the sound. Hold down the music icon and a window pops up with the option to play, pause, move ahead, move back, adjust the volume and even access iTunes on your last music streaming app. If you have an Apple TV, you can also pipe the music to the TV. Hold down the focus icon and you can access any of the different modes such as do not disturb, work, sleeping and driving. Tap a specific mode to turn it on. Tap the ellipsis icon for any mode and you can then decide whether to turn it on for an hour, until this evening or until you leave your current location. Tap settings for a particular mode to go to its settings screen where you can choose to receive notifications from specific people or apps while the mode is in effect. Customize your screen for that mode and set up a specific schedule for the mode. Hold down the screen mirroring icon to display your device's screen on a nearby Apple TV. Tap the rotation lock icon to determine whether or not you want your screen orientation to change. The control center can be customized under settings and then control center. If you want to be able to use your control center while in an app, make sure access with an app is enabled. You can now decide which control you want to be available from the control center. Existing controls appear in the including control section while available controls appear in the more control section. There's a list of optional controls that you can add to control center. You cannot see most of the options here because they are only available for iPhone users and will not show up if you're on iPad. You can add a setting to the control center by tapping the plus icon next to it in the list. That control then moves to the included controls section. Some controls you might find useful to add include alarm, flashlight, camera, dark mode, timer, voice memos and wallet. If you decide to remove any items from the control center, just look for it in the included control sections. Tap the minus icon then tap remove. That control then moves back to the more control section. You can also change the order in which the controls appear in the control center. Just drag a control by its hamburger icon and move it up or down in the list. So that's all about using and customizing the control center on an iPad. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Take care and stay safe and I will see you in the next one.